Asari Dokubo ti fohùn ìkìlọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí Tinubu pé Nàìjíríà yìí ṣe fún Mùsùlùmí nìkan o, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ má sùn, ọ̀rọ̀ rèé o, ó tún ti délẹ̀ báyìí o. Olóyè Sunday ò ṣètò èyí tí Asari Dokubo ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí o. Ṣé ẹ rí i pé ó ti ń kí fún Tinubu pé ọlọ́gbẹ́ni bàbá ẹ gbọ́, Nàìjíríà kì í ṣe fún Mùsùlùmí nìkan. Tá a bá ń pariwo sókè pé àwọn Fúlàní yìí ò bá tẹ̀rẹ̀ wá, ẹ ó rò péré ni o, kì í ṣeré o, eré kọ́ o. Asari ti wá yarí pátápátá o, ó yarí pátápátá fún Tinubu. Ó fún ní strong warning pé Àbújá àti gbogbo Nàìjíríà ò kì í ṣe fún Mùsùlùmí nìkan àbí fáwọn Fúlàní nìkan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ máa wò ó, Tani Ọlọ́run làwọn Mùsùlùmí ń bá fà á nílọrin báyìí. Ẹ imagine kán gbé Tani Ọlọ́run láti Ìbàdàn, wọ́n fi gbogbo police station kóòtù sílẹ̀ nìbàdàn, wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé lọ sí Ìlọrin. Kí ni ká ti pè yìí? Ìtìgbowó òòṣà Yoruba Nation ti wá ń kanlẹ̀kùn báyìí o. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátápátá, owó babagbagedeimo, ẹ bá wa gbárùkù tì wọ́n, ẹ má dákẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yoruba Nation. Olóyè Sunday Igboho òòṣà, àsìkò tó o, ẹ má rẹ̀wẹ̀sì, ẹ má ro ohun tí wọ́n ń sọ, ẹ má ro àwọn ọ̀dàlẹ̀, gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n wé, ẹ já gbárùkù tì owó babagbagedeimo àti gbogbo àwọn ajìjàǹgbara fún ọmọ Yorùbá pátápátá tòótọ́. Ẹ má dákẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, wọ́n bọ̀. Come to Digi Naija, remember to like, share and follow us. Asari jẹ́ kó yé Tinubu pé kódà appointment tó make yẹn wọ́ kò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ fi taratara balance, nítorí pé ó ti gbàgbé pé Nàìjíríà yìí gbogbo wa la ní pátápátá. Ebe kó wọn rántí pé gbogbo wa pátápátá la ní Nàìjíríà. Nàìjíríà ò dẹ̀ ń ṣe Lagos nìkan, débi pé ó máa dàbí ẹni pé Nàìjíríà ò sí fún Mùsùlùmí nìkan àbí Fúlàní. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ má jẹ́ kán jẹ wá máyé, ẹ má jẹ́ kán fi búrẹ́dì kó wa lómi ọbẹ̀ jẹ. Ẹ gbọ́ bí Asari Dokubo ṣe yarí fún Tinubu nínú fọ́nrán tí mo fẹ́ fi hàn yìí.
This country is a multi-religious state. This country is not an Islamic state. This country is not another Arab country. I am in support of humanity, in support of the Palestinian cause, not because they are Muslims. There are Muslims, there are Christians in Palestine, and I support them. And there are even Jews in Palestine, because there are many Jews who are against the Zionist, apartheid, satanic state of Israel. Abuja does not belong to Gumi, it does not belong to the North, it does not belong to Muslims. That is the truth of the matter, and we must say it clearly. It does not belong to us as Muslims. Abuja was built with Ijoba people's money, with Igbo people's money, with the Chekri people's money, with Oriyomi people's money, with Ijoba people's money. What they told us when we were leaving Lagos to Abuja was that Abuja will be no man's land. Everybody will be removed from Abuja. Every Nigerian will be an indigene of Abuja. They have changed all the laws. This country does not belong to Muslims alone. It does not belong to Sokoto people alone. It belongs to all of us. If we allow these psychopaths, these mad, sick people who think they are entitled, who think they are better than all others, they are stronger than all others, all of us will be moving, walking into our grave, our dishonorable grave, walking under their feet to our dishonorable grave. And even though today I might have some things, the appointment that is going on is one-sided. We must speak out. This is not Lagos. The president must know that the party is following in making appointment, as if appointment is on Lagos, as if Nigeria is on Lagos, is dangerous. He already has a lot of problems. We know. We must point this thing out. Why should someone like Bosun Tijani be in this government? After all the abuse and criticism, the president should look back at the appointment and rewind it, retrace it, and balance it. This is a country that belongs to all of us. It does not belong to Bajabi Amira alone. It does not belong to Ahmed Bola Tinubu alone. It does not belong to Mukhtar Asari alone. It does not belong to Mahmoud Gumi alone. There must be dissenting voices. But what should be paramount is the national interest of Nigeria. What is the national interest of Nigeria? That must be paramount. Anybody that wants to sacrifice the national interest of Nigeria for any other thing, we tell them stop.
Gbogbo lọ́balọ́ba ìjòyè nílẹ̀ Yorùbá òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yìí o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣe rí pé Sunday Igboho Òòṣà kò ṣe tó èyí tí Asari ṣe yìí tí wọ́n fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dìtẹ̀ mọ́. Àsìkò ti wá tó báyìí o ká gbárùkù ti olóyè Sunday Igboho Òòṣà. Ẹ má jà sùn Yorùbá ẹ ronú, Yorùbá ẹ dìde, ẹ jà fúnra yín. Àsìkò tó láti gbárùkù ti olóyè Sunday Igboho àti gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ń gbárùkù tí wọ́n jà pé kí Yoruba Nation kó free lọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúlàní onímàálù tí wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn wa, tí wọ́n jí àwọn èèyàn wa gbé. Kí lè ròyìn nípa ohun tí Asari Dokubo sọ yìí lórí ìkìlọ̀ tó fi ránṣẹ́ sí Tinubu? Thanks for watching. Drop your comment. Remember to like, share and follow us. This is Tigi Naija.